Madam Speaker, let me conclude by saying that you cannot add 6 billion shillings.
Honorable Junet, take your seat. Honorable McClap, what is out of order? And let's get the IT department work on the sound. Honorable McClap.
Madam Speaker, I think we've had enough debate on this matter, and we can call the mover to reply. Because, Madam Speaker, this matter is as good as done, Madam Speaker, and we can invoke Article 95 and call the mover to reply.
I will let Honorable Junet finish.
Madam Speaker, it will be sad, Honorable Makilab, who was a former Speaker of Baringo County, can be used to derail devolution in this country. But Madam Speaker, we are dealing with a budget of 3.9 trillion, almost 4 trillion. And we are giving counties only 396 billion, Madam Speaker. And we have added this year, this financial year, only 6 billion shillings, Madam Speaker. If you divide 6 billion shillings by 47 counties, every county is going to get 30 million shillings. What kind of money is that? What kind of money is that? Is that enough for the development of this country? Madam Speaker, let us be honest to each other. If we want to develop this country, we must devolve funds. If there are issues of corruption, we must deal with them. We cannot use corruption to stifle devolution, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, look at what's happening to devolution. Since the inception 2013, the devolution is struggling to get their required amount of money. Madam Speaker, in this House, when we are dealing with the devolution, with the division of revenue, we are supposed to divide this money vertically first between counties and national government, Madam Speaker. And Madam Speaker, if you hate your governor, that is your own problem. You can go and sort out your issues at home.
You are totally out of order. Totally. Out of order. Honorable Junet, wind up.
Madam Speaker, I want to tell Honorable Osoro, if you hate your governor, you can go and sort out your problems at home. If you want to run for governor, it's up to you. If you want to run for MCA, it's up to you. But the fact of the matter is, the only monies that Kenyans are enjoying is the money that goes to devolution, Madam Speaker. No other money is on the ground. And the NGCDF, those two monies, county governments and CDF money, that is all, Madam Speaker. All the other monies are in the hands of people like Lituri. Thank you, Madam Speaker.